Hi guys, eat my king pot noodle chicken and mushroom with me. So, I've not long come off live with a friend. I've been in her boxes for a couple of hours. And I was hungry, and also this cough's annoying me. So I thought the warm water might soothe my throat. But yeah, the way I do this is I put the sachet of the soy sauce that comes with the pot noodle in on the dry noodles, and then when I've put the water in, I then put more. I put more soy sauce in from a bottle that we have at home. It's just a quick and easy snack because I couldn't be bothered to stand and make a sandwich, so I just made pot noodle. Oh, it's really hot. You know why? I decided to use for some reason 2 lots of hot water, but then at least it'll keep it warmer for longer. It's really nice. So yeah, that was fun in my friends' boxes because we have a laugh. It's getting cold here in the UK. Obviously it's December and it's nearly Christmas, but it's getting really cold. But yeah. How do you make your pot noodle? Do you just use the amount of water that it says, or do you use a little bit extra? Do you just have the sachet of sauce that comes with it, or do you add more? I never find that the sachet that comes with it is quite enough for me. As you can see, that's what they look like. Chicken and mushrooms are my favourite. I do like the beef and tomato, but I think with me, I get used to using eating one flavour, and then I'll get sick of it. And I did a few years ago. I ate beef and tomato for ages. I think I ate it every time I had a pot noodle for months. I used to eat it, and I got really sick of it. I haven't eaten it since. I go through bouts of that, where I'll buy something and I'll eat it and it'll be okay, and I'll eat it for months, and then I'll just suddenly get sick of it and won't have it again for a while. I have tried other I've tried the Lost the Pot Noodle version of this. Basically like super noodles, but I really like the pot noodle. Did you hear though that apparently, I don't think it's come down here yet, but apparently the pot noodle pots have started to be made out of paper? I saw it on TikTok either last week or in the week. People were picking them up to obviously take them to eat, and the pots were buckling before they got to eat the pot noodle. So it's actually been suggested that if you have a pot noodle with a paper pot, put it in a cup. Don't put the pot noodle in the cup. Put the pot in the cup, because it'll give it a bit more rigidity. Personally, I know they want to make everything more green and so it don't harm the animals. But there is reason things like this use plastic pots and not paper. I use plastic because it's stronger. And it might get hot, but it won't buckle. Because I watched one where she filled it up, picked it up, and it literally just buckled. Soy sauce is something we use a lot. So we had a couple of open bottles in the cupboard with not much in, so I just used the rest of one of them. But the thing is, we got a cheap glass bottle from a supermarket, and I went to use it once, and it's got one of them tabs that you pull to obviously stop things getting in it. And I pulled it, and the whole thing didn't come off, and now we can't use it. But yeah, I always add extra soy sauce, because I never feel that the sachet is enough. I usually only have a little bit of extra water, but today I've got, I think I put too much in. But that's okay, I'll drink it. So what's your favourite pot noodle flavour? As I said, mine's chicken and mushroom. I'd like to try shop versions of these pot noodles, actually, because obviously I've heard good things and I've heard bad things. So I just want to try myself. So guys, I'll go and finish this and I'll see you later.